Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your ClickFunnels account, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you add a countdown timer to one of your ClickFunnels? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to add a countdown timer anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you know that sometimes your offer is going to expire, or maybe you just want to add a timer to help increase conversions. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your ClickFunnels account. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my ClickFunnels, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to go ahead and add a countdown timer to one of your funnels, here on the left, you're going to click on funnels. Once you do that, you're going to see all the funnels that you've already set up. So go ahead and choose the funnel you're going to add the timer to. So for example, this one right here, and just click on the name of the funnel. Okay, once you do that, you'll see all the different pages in your ClickFunnel. So this is my landing page right here. So I'm going to just hover over the page and then click on edit. Okay, now it's going to open up the page editor in your ClickFunnels. Next, what you want to do is kind of scroll down to the general section that you are going to add the countdown timer to. So for me, let's see here, I'd probably add it up here towards the top. So let's see here. So ClickFunnels is set up in different sections, and inside each section, there's different elements that you can add. So let's go ahead and work inside of this right here, add element, and we're going to click on this orange button, add element. Once you do that, you're going to see this menu here on the right, and you want to scroll down until you count down timers, or you can go ahead and just click here and search and just type in countdown, and you can click right here, and it's going to add it right in. Okay, so now you can see we have a timer in here. So just click on the timer itself. Now we can choose the style. So timer type, we can do a calendar event, countdown, evergreen. You can adjust it. So the margin, you want to bring it down a little bit. Okay, now we can go ahead and add days if we want, weeks, months. So I'm going to go ahead and leave it on days. Okay, now here we are. We can go ahead and make those a little bigger, and we can change the color. Let's go ahead and make it a red. Okay, and we want to add a shadow. Yeah, that looks pretty good. So you can actually just play around with settings. Maybe I don't like the way this looks, so I'll click here on templates. And let's see, this one looks a little bit more modern. Let's click on there. Yeah, that looks pretty good to me. And then I'll go back over here to settings, and let's hit up the time. Okay, I'm going to increase the font size a little bit. Yeah, for me, that looks better. Okay, let me go ahead and change the countdown, and let's go ahead and say we're going to go ahead and have this expire next week and that's going to be Pacific time. Okay, so now that looks pretty good. So we have our deadline, which is going to be our ending date. So maybe we're going to have a promotion until this date. And once you're done adding your countdown timer, click on save here on the top right. Okay, now it's saved. So now anybody who ends up on this landing page in my ClickFunnels is going to see this timer. So they're going to know that they have about 7 days and 3 hours until this offer expires. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to add a countdown timer in your ClickFunnels page, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up, or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.